about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
All right, homies and homettes, full routine written at the very bottom of the description for the ones that happen to give a fuck. So check it out. We started off with some pull-ups. Now, look, pull down machine is great. If we're talking just off how the back looks, pull-ups and pull down machine are pretty much the same. But we're talking about function, how you feel in your own body, strength. You can't compare pull downs to pull-ups. The nervous system responds differently from hanging from that pull-up bar. So you can't compare the two from that perspective. But you know, I like to keep pull-ups in rotation. You don't gotta do pull-ups every workout, but I like to keep them in rotation for sure. So we're doing some straight arm pull downs to get the lats warmed up and fired up. And here we are doing some rows. Some seated cable rows for the hoes. So here we are doing that underhanded grip. I like to mix it up. You know, if anybody ever got my programs off my site, you know I'm really big on angles. Doing the underhanded grip, and then you getting your spine nice up and erect, and just a slight lean back, that's gonna put a different kind of tilt on the scapula and the stretch feels different. So mix up those angles, okay? So here we are doing some one arm cable rows. Now you can do dumbbell rows, you can do the hammer strength, like as long as you're getting some kind of unilateral rowing motion. We decided to go with cables this day. As you see, I'm taking my time, making the sweetest love to those lats. Okay, now the trick here, if you go back and watch my set, focus on the feet. And if you go back and watch my set, you'll see it took me a while to get started. I wanted to feel the stretch first. I wanted to feel those lats glide and stretch. Once I started to feel the movement, feel the tension, then that's when I wanted to start, you know. So it all starts from the ground. Here we are doing some chest supported rows. I like to mix it up. You know, some days barbell rows bent over. Days like this, chest supported. I like to mix it up. You know, it all depends on what I got going on, my programming. But there's benefits to doing chest supported, and there's also benefits to doing it like, you know, having your spine controlled through space and rowing the old-fashioned way, you know, so I like to mix it up. So here we are doing some close grip pull downs. On this particular day, didn't really focus on weight, just focused on the contraction. I like to mix this up as well. Some days I'll pyramid. I'll start with a light set of 15 to 20 and just keep going down until I got about a heavy set, until I get a heavy set of 4 to 6. And that heavy set of 4 to 6, it may not always be the prettiest, which is why I like getting those light sets in first. Get some light sets in first with good squeezes, and then I'll bang out a couple of heavy sets. The form may not be the best, but I still feel it. We call that body English. There's a difference between body English, a little controlled cheating, versus a whole bunch of swinging around. Two different things, okay? So after we did back, just did a little bit of bicep work, did some incline curls. Here we're doing some preacher curls from one arm. The one arm preacher curls, not only are they good for really focusing on the biceps, but the distal tendon, you know, strengthening the connective tissue. Remember, this is body building. The connective tissue is part of the body. Finishing off here.
Finish strong. You did great today.
Like arms.
Spaghetti arms. It's all right, just pump them hoes. Try closing your eyes too and just really pump. So that mirror can play with you. It's not even facing the mirror perfectly straight. So that mirror gonna fuck your eyes up. There you go. Use that inner eye. Close them eyes. All right, fam. You already know what time it is. Post-workout meal. Shit just got real. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There it is. Food just came. Keeping it simple. All right, fam. As you see, went to a place called Cowboy's Chicken. Do they have this in other states? I've only heard about these being in Texas. Shout out to Cowboy's Chicken. As you see, we got a nice simple meal. That's not enough protein for a beast, so we got extra chicken over here. Shauna got 2 more, and I got 2 more. And ooh, no water in my cup. Damn, I'm about to get water next, okay? Don't forget to like my shit. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.